We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with AMC Entertainment Holdings doing a full transition from the dip area to the rip area today, and we're going to cover what's going on within the charts, why they jumped up higher. But AMC stock was not the only stock experiencing volatility. The overall market in the SPY did as well, and our SPY bot at 1:10 p.m. sent out a bear indicator, and from that moment forward, outflows had crossed the midpoint to the downside, and just a few minutes later at 1:30 p.m. our flow bot sent out a SPY bearish flow, and from that moment forward, pure weakness there on 42 vision, and put options went up 100% plus within minutes to an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with AMC Entertainment Holdings fighting to go higher here above the resistance and support of $5. We're going to talk about what's going on within the charts with the inflow versus outflow and the bull and bear indicators. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our Tesla bot. Our Tesla bot at 8:30 a.m. sent out a bear indicator, and from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside, pure weakness there on 42 vision, and put options went up 150% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with AMC doing a full transition here from the dip area to the rip area in the last 2 days, as I stated earlier in the video. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with AMC under a bull indicator since yesterday at around 440, and also getting those inflows back above the midpoint. It kind of sat sideways here into the pre-market and opening bell. Those inflows continued higher and full strength there from 450 area to highs here so far of 550, nearly a whole entire dollar move in just one day, with those inflows picking up and hitting highs here of 1.07, and also here crossing over since yesterday and being under that bull indicator since the 440 area. Now, I'm going to share with you guys what key levels I would watch going into tomorrow, but what caused this move? Some of you may already have seen it, or you're coming across this for the first time. This is pretty big news. Some people are debunking it and stating that analysis ratings are already stating it's not possible. Others are stating it may be. And here we are seeing the rumor moving things up with strength. And in the process, if this continues to go higher, the more shorts that were actually short at around $4 or below that after the big pullback here that has happened on AMC from way up here at $6 range to lows here to $4. They may be getting trapped, creating the possibility of a short squeeze happening in the process. But right now it's just moved about $1, and the reason is right here, guys. AMC Entertainment shares jump on report that Amazon is exploring a deal. Now, again, there's already analysis ratings coming out and trying to debunk this and stating it may not be possible. But then we also have headlines and also the chart showing how excited the bulls are since the release of this information. So right now, Amazon.com Inc. is looking to buy the theater chain. It's not guaranteed. It's basically out there. And Amazon founder Jeff Bezos has dispatched his investment advisors and top entertainment chiefs to explore acquisition plans for AMC. This right now is all speculation right now. It's just beginning, but the fact that the information is out there and the possibility is out there, it creates the possibility that this may be true. Now, it states here in this article that AMC and Amazon declined to comment on the report. So we are seeing right now a very interesting shift because it states it here in this article as well. Amazon, right? They basically have Prime Video. So it could almost become like, I'm not sure if you guys have noticed how Netflix is creating like on-site, in-demand, like these live shows that people are actually watching on the Netflix stream, but also are able to watch it in person. I don't know how that's going to work out with the cinema aspect of things, but I kind of have a feeling that they're trying to become like the theater chain of showing live shows at the theater for those that want to be there, I guess. And then also those that want to stream it from the platform, Prime Video or whatnot, or whatever is on their list, right? Because sometimes Prime Video has like specific shows and movies under them that they're going to release, and they can go ahead and watch it from home or from the theater experience. I'm not sure. That's right now my own thoughts and speculation. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below, but I have noticed that Netflix has done series at live theaters and amphitheaters and like locations while also streaming and releasing that on their platform and streaming services while people are watching it live as well. So very interesting concept, and I could be way off, but if it turns out to be possible, I think that's where Amazon's acquisition thoughts may be going. We'll have to see. So here we are with AMC, full bright green, full strength here on 42 vision on the 30-minute. Same thing here on the 1 hour, under bull indicators and inflows at some of the highest points that we've seen since the last time that AMC seemed to have short squeezed or had a little bit of momentum, going from way down here at $4 all the way up to $8 range and jumping just alone at the highest point of inflows of 1.98 from around 638 to the highs here of 854, followed by that bull indicator and strength on the charts and those inflows. So some of the highest inflows that we've seen in a while. And based off the history of the chart, it is right here rejecting at a key resistance of 550. It rejected there 3 times before doing the next leg down and getting those outflows to cross to the downside. So I would not ignore that at all. That is a critical resistance level. And what I would watch here going into tomorrow, well, the first thing is for these inflows to continue strong on the 30-minute. Same thing here on the 15-minute, as it's really close to the midpoint. Even though it went from red to green again, it is right there. If this crosses downwards, it could quickly start to reflect into the chart, possibly cancel out this bull indicator and get a bear indicator in the process. And if those inflows stay strong, well, I'm going to be watching for that bull indicator to hold strong here and these inflows to pick up and reflect some of that strength into the charts to retest those resistance levels to the upside. So on the 30-minute, same thing. We want it to hold. If these inflows could stay above the midpoint and stay green, even if they slightly pull back, level off, and go back up, for the next leg up, as I call it, for the bull run. Not guaranteed, but it is what I call it all the time on those slight pullbacks. It could be setting up for the next leg up within the bull run. And here we are at the 515 mark, and the first support is $5. Below that is 480, and then comes 450. Now to the upside, the first resistance is 550, guys. 550 is going to be crucial. If that gets broken through based off the history of the chart, the next resistance is back up towards 590 to $6 area. And then we can start talking about higher levels within the charts to reanalyze what's going on. Has a squeeze started? Is the news actually getting more confirmed? And how excited and how strong the charts are looking for the bulls versus the bears. So I'm going to be watching the bull and bear indicators very carefully. The inflow versus outflow on the 1 hour, on the 30-minute, as it's red right now. We want to see it pull back up, pull away from the midpoint, and same thing on the 15-minute, as it's really close to the midpoint, pull upwards and reflect that strength into the chart with strength towards those resistance levels. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.